Good Wednesday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this February the 12th, 2014. It's been a wild couple of days here across eastern North Carolina. Heavy snow in portions of the area yesterday. Upwards of 8 to 12 inches of snowfall in portions of Craven and Pamlico counties. Also into Hyde County as well. Portions of Duplin County getting crushed, and also into portions of Jones County. It was a crazy day. We'll talk about a little bit of that as well. And look ahead, we still got this system to get out of here as the main portion of the system starts to move out of here tonight. And then the second part of this part of the system comes in here tomorrow. So a lot of things to kind of look at and talk about here in the forecast update video. First, I want to show you a picture I took last night and put on my Twitter page, and you can follow me if you don't already on Twitter, Patrick Ellis WX. This is a look at the total predicted mean snowfall amounts from the 4 previous runs of the SREF, the Short Range Ensemble Forecast. It's basically a grouping of about 21 members of different models that kind of give us can give you a range of what could happen, the realm of possibility. This was the mean, basically the average of what happened yesterday. This is for New Bern, okay? New Bern picked up 10 inches of snow yesterday. And to give you an idea, the last 4 runs, this is from this morning, the previous 4 runs of this showed the highest mean on this was 3 inches. There was only one ensemble member, one out of any of those runs, that was in the 10-plus inch range. There was no way that we were going to be able to forecast that. No one was going to be able to get that. No model picked up on the potential for 10-plus inches of snowfall in that area yesterday. Just was impossible. And if I showed you the spread, you'd be amazed at what we were dealing with yesterday as far as the snowfall was concerned. Thankfully, things are starting to taper off, and now we're dealing with the melting portion of this. So that's why we have a flood watch that's in effect for Washington, Tyrrell, Dare, Hyde, Beaufort, Pamlico, Craven, Carteret, Jones, and Onslow counties. This goes until early tomorrow morning for this potential 1 to 2 inches of rainfall on top of the snow melt that we're expecting across this area. We still have a winter storm warning in effect for Martin, Pitt, Greene, Lenoir, Duplin counties until 9 p.m. tonight, so that should be dropped off tonight as the icing potential goes down as we go into more of a rain scenario as temperatures start to warm up. For Wayne, Wilson, Edgecombe, Nash, Halifax, and Northampton counties, a winter storm warning will continue into tomorrow. Winter weather advisory for Bertie, Hertford, and Gates County will continue into tonight as well. Oddly enough, out of all of this, we ended up with an earthquake yesterday in Beaufort County, down along Highway 33 near Lowland, Buchan, Aurora. I mean, just absolutely crazy. 2.9 on the Richter scale down there. So let's look at the precision forecast model. Temperatures tonight gonna be warming up. Good news in that category. So we're not expecting a refreeze tonight. And as we do so, the temperatures will continue to rise, and that's good news. The model, I think, is way too warm on temperatures. It's very aggressive with this warm nose getting in here. I don't think it's going to be that aggressive. I think we're moving to 40s tomorrow. There will be on and off showers through the day across eastern North Carolina. Then the upper air disturbance comes into play as we head into the afternoon hours. We're going to be in the 40s, likely starting to drop back into the 30s by the time we head towards, say, after the noontime hour, especially for inland spots. And then you see this burst of snow and sleet coming back into the forecast. That's the wraparound moisture. So tomorrow afternoon could have another burst of snow and sleet, especially for our northern counties, and then tapering off as we head into the overnight hours as well. So just a crazy couple of days here across eastern North Carolina. And I want to take you to Live Viper Night. I want to show you the whole system as a big whole. You've got thunderstorms, a squall line pushing across the Florida Peninsula. You've got even thunderstorms off of our coast right now. Probably about probably about 100 miles offshore right now. Now we're talking about thunderstorms, yes, over the Atlantic Gulf Stream, and then you've got showers and rain across the coastal areas. You got snow and sleet all the way up into the Virginias, and stretching all the way into Alabama, northeast Alabama, seeing snow and ice tonight. Some of that will be fairly heavy this evening. That's the upper level disturbance that will come into play tomorrow that I just showed you on the precision forecast model, bringing us another round of snow and sleet. And look at this. There's our big upper level low that is over Alabama, Mississippi at this point, is pulling off towards the north and will be trekking towards us tomorrow. I mean, just absolutely amazing what's going on here dynamically as far as weather is concerned. The surface low pressure about to move onshore, if it not has already moved onshore in the Big Bend area, will continue off towards the north as we head into tomorrow morning. That's 7 a.m. Heavy rain likely as we head into tomorrow, but we do get a little dry slot in here as we head into tomorrow morning. So we'll have off and on showers, but you do see that upper level disturbance on the backside, the 540 line going all the way down to the Big Bend. And also you see the moisture wrapping around on the back side of that. And by tomorrow morning, that upper level disturbance is going to be even stronger, and it comes on top of us by the afternoon hours. Look at that. It really wraps up in a very strong vortex coming across eastern North Carolina. A lot of uplift in the atmosphere on Thursday afternoon. So as this lifts out, there will be that potential for a changeover from rain showers over to snow and sleet showers again as this lifts out. This would be 7 o'clock in the evening tomorrow, the 540 line down to the south of most of our area. The GFS has got precipitation all the way south to Wilmington. Maybe not getting that far down south, but we'll be watching that closely. There is the potential that we could see snow and sleet again across the entire viewing area. Now here's a look at the forecast soundings coming off the NAM. This is valid for 1 o'clock tomorrow. This will be an all rain sounding, everything above freezing in the moist layer, in the cloud layer, except for right at the surface may just be a touch above freezing. But we'll be watching. As the upper level disturbance comes into play about 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, everything starts to come a little bit closer to freezing. We may start off with some ice pellets and then switching over to some snow as we head into the evening hours tomorrow. This would be 7 p.m. tomorrow, everything below freezing with the exception maybe for right at the surface, but it won't matter anything. That would be an all snow look there if that does verify. So what I'm telling you, there's going to be another round of this going into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. So be prepared for that. If you need to leave work early, go ahead and do so. Have that plan in place. We don't need another Raleigh to happen tomorrow with the second batch that would come in here on the backside of the low. By the time we head towards, say, about 9 o'clock, things start to taper off a little bit, and the sounding goes drier by the time we head towards 1 a.m. on Friday morning. That system gets out of our hair, thankfully, as we head towards Friday. We'll likely start off with some sunshine, a few clouds building in through the afternoon hours. We're forecasting upper 40s and low 50s, but I will tell you this, with that snow and sleet, temperatures dropping below freezing overnight Thursday into Friday, could have some slick spots on the roadways. But look back off to the west, we're in a very active northwesterly flow pattern, and that's going to drop down another clipper system as we head into Friday night. That could bring us rain showers and maybe even a few sleet pellets here or there, but I don't think it's going to be a snow look, even though the 540 line in place. Temperatures should be above freezing for us here across eastern North Carolina. That would be out of here by the time we head towards Saturday afternoon. We're all dry and temperatures will be cooler with a north breeze, pretty nice north breeze, and temperatures would be likely in the 40s through the afternoon hours on Saturday. We'll take you out towards Sunday, and we're looking dry and warmer as the 540 line starts its retreat. Temperatures upper 40s and low 50s once again. We'll take you out to Monday. We're going to be watching another system approaching us, but high pressure in the control at that point. Temperatures upper 40s and low 50s again. And then rain showers come into the fold as we head into Thursday. We'll take you out to Thursday. Well, actually, probably on Monday night into Tuesday morning. There could be some light showers into the fold, and we'll take you out to Tuesday morning. Warmer air comes back into the forecast. High pressure builds in across the area. We'd likely make the upper 50s and low 60s. Hey, how about that? By Wednesday, nice high pressure ridge builds into the region, maybe some return flow trying to get us a little bit warmer as well, and finally back into the 60s nicely. We're still here with you guys over the next several hours and even into tomorrow as well, with the second round of round 2 coming into play as we head into tomorrow with the upper air dynamics coming into play. So a lot still to happen. More wintry weather possibly across eastern North Carolina. Stay tuned to Storm Team 9. We'll be on television, Facebook, Twitter, WNCT.com, and our brand new Storm Team 9 app on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Stores. Have a great evening, a safe evening. Stay safe tomorrow as well. And pray for our friends in Raleigh, also into the Triad, and also into Charlotte as well. They have had a mess today. Hopefully they can stay safe out there on the roadways because of the nastiness that they're having to deal with there. And just say a extra prayer for them and also for us here in eastern North Carolina. We've gotten a good hammering as well over the last couple of days, and it's not just over just yet, but there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Have a great rest.